Hi everyone, so yesterday I posted this Christmas dedicated picture on my Instagram and a lot of you guys requested for a tutorial, so let's get started. So the first step includes removal of background. So we are going to remove the background from this picture. For that we all know how to remove the background. Go to cutout and remove it. Don't do it in hurry, instead do it patiently for a more professional look. After that's done, save it. Now go to tools and then adjust. Increase the temperature to 70 around because we are going to make this whole edit little more warmer than usual. So I would suggest you to increase the temperature for all the stocks that you're going to use in this edit. So open any background which has street lights in subject. So I am going for this background. I kind of don't like the position of the white Christmas tree there. I wanted it to be on the left side and that too little bigger. So for that I am going to go to add photos and add the same background and zoom it so that the tree appears to be larger and I can place it wherever I want, erasing the remaining parts I don't want. But you might think, how do I get rid of the smaller one? Clone the black sky over the small tree and voila, you are done getting rid of it. Now go to add photos and add your own picture. If you are taking your full picture, make sure you are placing till your thighs because that's about the perspective and that's a vast subject anyways. Now let's create rim light effect on this picture. Mind you that the rim light effect has to be only created when the light is coming from the back and at the night. Creating rim light effect includes steps such as duplicating your own image, top layer should be darker and the bottom layer should be lighter, and then erasing the outline from the top layer, revealing the bottom layer's bright color. That shows your rim light effect. But if you want to understand it in detail, please visit my previous video. I have explained very clearly about rim light effect. Now let's add our Christmas tree, which is the actual showpiece of today's evening. And now what's Christmas without the Santa Claus cap? So here we go, let's add the Santa Claus cap. Add rim light effect to it as well. Now go to shadows and add some. Please work with the shadows position and color accordingly. Now to blend the image more perfectly with the background, go to tools and then adjust. Increase the temperature to 100. Click on the eraser and then invert. Restore the temperature wherever needed. As you can see, I am restoring the temperature on the right side of my body because the yellow light is coming from the right side. And the last step is to go to the brushes and add some snowfall and finish it off by importing the picture in Lightroom and playing with other parameters until you are satisfied again.